Indian Women Scientists Association, in collaboration with National Academy of Science India, organized a workshop on laser, fiber optics, and optical communication fiber sensors on March 6 at Multipurpose Hall of IWSA in Vashi. Students and faculties of MSc Engineering and people working in telecommunication fields attend the workshop. Scientist R. Vijaya said that fiber optic communication is a very evolving scientific topic and that her topic in the workshop was on fiber amplifier, fiber components.
This event which is going on here is by the Indian Women Scientists Association. This is a workshop on fiber optics, communications, sensors, networks, and even has a hands-on demo session, and mostly targeted at students. Also, it has some lecturers and even professionals attending this. There are about 100 participants in this workshop. Now, fiber optic communications is one of the very evolving scientific topics and has direct relevance to India, as we have a fiber optic link across India connecting many cities with very high data rates, which makes it possible for us to download pictures and emails and even have video conferencing and such facilities in our everyday life. The students here, the participants here will benefit greatly from the interactions. One of the speakers is Professor Ghatak, who is a Meghnad Saha Fellow from IIT Delhi. I am talking about fiber amplifiers, fiber components, and tomorrow there is a talk by Dr. Deepa Venkatesh from IIT Madras, who will talk about fiber networks and realistic parameter estimation and so on. And today and tomorrow in the afternoon, there is a hands-on demo session for all the participants organized by Fiber Optica Technologies in Bangalore. Thank you.
IWSA President Dr. Lalita Dhareshwar informed that at the workshop, they had arranged scientific and practical demonstration using some units based on the principles of fiber optics.
Indian Women Scientists Association is engaged for the past several years in taking science to masses and creating scientific temper amongst the people in the society. Not only this, it has been engaged in empowering women in the various fields of their endeavor. And science being the backbone of the country and also helps in its economic growth, we people, members of Indian Women Scientists Association, who are all scientists from various academic institutions and premier national organizations like BARC, TIFR, we are trying to bring about an awareness of science at a very basic level as well as at a very higher and very advanced level. And keeping this in view, we organize every year 2 to 3 workshops on very specific areas in physics, chemistry and biosciences. And this particular workshop on lasers, optical fibers and optical communication and fiber sensor is one such very advanced workshop where students of MSc and engineering and their faculty and those who are working in telecommunication and electronics field, they would be very happy to attend, because some of the pioneers in the field are giving lectures, and we have also arranged demonstrations, scientific and practical demonstrations using some of the units which are based on these principles. We have Professor Ajoy Ghatak, who was ex-professor from IIT Delhi, and he is also presently the chairman of the National Academy of Science India Delhi chapter, giving talks. Unfortunately, he could not come to Mumbai because of the coronavirus scare, and against the doctor's advice was that he should not be traveling at his age. So we have arranged live telecast of his lectures from IIT Delhi to IWSA. And this program is for 2 days, and lectures are in the morning, and afternoons we are dedicating it to practical lessons.
Head of Fiber Sensors Lab RRCAT Indore, Professor Sanjay Kher, said that The main aim of the workshop was creating awareness on the importance of fiber optics and communication to people.
ये वर्कशॉप इंडियन वुमेन्स साइंटिस्ट एसोसिएशन ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है और इसका मेन एम ये है कि लोगों को फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन की इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में बताया जाए, क्योंकि हमारे देश में बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि आज हम जो अमेरिका ब्रिटेन से 1 मिनट में बात कर पाते हैं, बड़ी क्लियरली आवाज़ आती है, दैट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन दी फाइबर विच हैज़ बीन लेड इन द सी, ट्रांस अटलांटिक सी। और 1 बिलियन किलोमीटर लंबा फाइबर, अगर टोटल फाइबर को जोड़ें तो इतना लंबा फाइबर अभी डाला हुआ है और इसकी वजह से हज़ारों लोग न केवल इंटरनेट बल्कि वॉइस कम्युनिकेशन कर पा रहे हैं। और हम लोग फाइबर सेंसर्स पर ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हैं, जिससे कि सारी दुनिया में जो मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, स्पेशली फायर डिटेक्शन है, डिटेक्शन ऑफ स्ट्रेन है, इंट्रूजन बाय द एनिमी पीपल हैं, उस सब को रोकने के लिए जो नए नए टाइप के फाइबर्स आ रहे हैं उसके बारे में हम काम कर रहे हैं।
Students also interacted with the guest professor for their queries, who gave engaging response to the workshop. Video journalist Sameer Khan with reporter Snehal Nikam, Awaaz Today.